Alright guys, this is Jack again, and
Me.
what's your name?
My name is Secret Dragon.
His name is Cameron.
Yeah, let's just do this level.
Spacebar to start, down arrow key, move forward, up arrow key, move backwards.
Let's rock out, Piggy! Piggy!
I think that pig's kind of annoyed by you.
Yeah, I'm not good. I don't even know how to do space. Apparently you click spacebar to start. Yeah.
Press escape R.
Yeah, that's not working. Exit menu.
Nah, bleh. Alright, whatever. Looks like we got a quitter on our hands.
Shut up. I'm just gonna pick BMX Park. Irresponsible dad, wonderful. Let's go,
Dude,
son.
The graphics. Them graphics.
Yay, son. Let's have fun. Oh, son, we're dead.
How are you speaking? You and your son are dead. That cursor's right there.
Escape. I'm trying to skip. I should have just clicked restart, but I will. Come on, we got this, we got this, we got this. Oh no, 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 no.
But Dad, that was a fun flip. Don't question my logic.
I don't need you, son.
You're probably gonna run over him and break his face. Yep. Good job, Cameron. You're a legal murderer now.
Lost my hat.
You don't need it. Who wears helmets these days? Am I right?
Like no one. No, yeah, I can't get up there.
Thanks for explaining the joke, Cameron.
No, no, no. Son, I'm not gonna let you die. I'm not gonna let you die.
You press control.
Not gonna let you die. Not gonna let you die. Not gonna let you die.
I'm a better cameraman than you.
I know. Grind.
By that I mean...
Okay, I got this. I got
Grind
this.
it, bro. You have to, like, do a wheelie. Do a wheelie. You call that a wheelie?
Yeah, I do.
I call that a lost helmet flip fail.
Shut up.
And now you're...
Wee. I should slow down. No,
It's
no,
ET.
no.
It's ET. It was ET for a second. Backwards ET. Now I can show you the world. That is Aladdin. You just killed your son.
Yeah. Oh, man.
Survive. Yeah. And then all that stuff just hits you.
Well, that happened. Okay. Yeah. Let's find a new one. Which ones that are rated good? This one looks... Oh, wait, what was the 5 one? There it is, bottle one. Okay. Wait, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Rehearsed official level of Happy Wheels. Okay.
The first official.
Whoa. No.
You're amazing at bottle runs, dude.
Yeah. Yeah, that worked. R. 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 And click it.
Oh, God.
Okay.
Do a Tobuscus mind throw.
Oh, you want Tobuscus mind throw? That doesn't look great to go. Oh, we'll do it anyway.
Wait, isn't Tobuscus? Isn't that a type of Tabasco sauce?
What? I just exploded.
Yeah, it's
I'm
like
sorry, Timmy, but Toby wants this to happen. What?
Tabasco sauce.
Mm.
There's nothing left. So you have to escape already. I'm sorry, Timmy, but Toby wants this to happen. Please don't do it, Segway Steven. Who would name their son Segway? Like, I can understand if your last name is Steven, but nobody names their son Segway.
I'm gonna try to get him. Oh yeah.
And is Toby like the overlord of Happy Wheels? Like, did he will this poor helmeted man to do this?
Yeah, I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. I got this. I got this.
You want me to go?
I got this. I got this. Yeah.
Kick that chair.
Yeah.
Oh, God. You're going to jail.
Pet opener approved. Get under there.
Get on the floor. Everybody do their dinosaur.
Okay.
Okay, well, that ends episode 2.
No, we're not done yet.
What do you mean?
Let's do one more level to watch me fail at.
Alright.
Dude, this one apparently. Demo version 7.
You're using my MacBook computer.
Dell. Okay. Gladiator 2 demo. Dun dun. Are you serious? It's like an RPG thing. Dude. Hey. Talk to the hand. I'm stuck.
That's what was creaking. We have a beautiful backyard. I just started talking in my British accent. Alright, switch.
Stop.
Switch. It's time to switch.
No.
Swear to God, if you show my face, I will kill you. I'm gonna play like this. Oh well, I've already showed my face on the internet once. Joke's on you, I've actually played this level a lot. Like, so you do that.
I got my head stuck.
You see these moves?
I got the moves. Okay, I got.
That poor porch. Oh God. Whoa, 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 oh. They killed each other. I'm probably gonna die here because that poor child. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's not possible by physics.
Double axers.
Yep. I get stabbed in the face. I'm not sure if those are meatballs or poo balls.
They're meatballs. Well, they used to be.
It slices, it dices. Alright. Let's see if I know about Tabasco sauce. I mean, I love spicy sauces, but all these people spell Tabasco sauce wrong. What is Tabasco sauce's real name? It's totally Tabasco. What does Tabasco love more? Minecraft or Happy Wheels? He doesn't love either better. What should I do next? Mashed yam? I love mashed yam. Mashed yam.
Well, that was a wonderful quiz.
Yeah, apparently I know a lot about Tabasco sauce.
Yeah, well, we don't really have a lot of more time for this video's like...
Ball throw X favage.
Yeah,
What's a favage? Oh, skills. You see these skills.
Okay, so that's the end of episode 2.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
You did the same thing to me. No.
Well, guess what?
What?
Guess what?
Bye.
Goodbye, YouTube. Hope you enjoyed our crappy video.